Ate Jo. I love Ate Jo. I love her with my whole heart. Alam mo minsan, alam mo yun eh, pag if ever lalabas kaming girls, if may gusto kami puntahan ganun, tapos hindi siya sasama, parang ayoko na rin sumama. Ganun, parang siya yung siya yung ticket ko sa mga pupuntahan ko.
And there is no one there to dry your tears. I could hold you for a million years.
I love Ate Jo. Like, without her talaga, I can't imagine Beanie without her. She completes the group.
I know